I-Human Rights Commission isilethe la enkantolo namhlanje bathi babopha amaphoyisa ngokuthi awasibophi. So bafuna ukusi-interdicta nathi ukuze siboshwe amaphoyisa. Bathi balwela amalungelo abantu bokufika abala ngongemthetho kodwa bakufihli ke bona lapho bathi abenzeli bona benzela abantu base South Africa ngaze kanjani. Kodwa ke sila namhlanje sizozwa ukuthi ke izothethwa kanjani lelicala ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi icala libaluleke kakhulu not just kubona but kuthina as a whole. Kubalwa nathi because ngicabanga ukuthi bayazi bona ukuthi yini abayibenefitayo from abantu bokufika. Sesibonile vele ukuthi la eSouth Africa khona ama cartels, khona ama mafia akhona, and mawuyibuka nje indlela yakhona, indlela eorganize ngayo lento ama illegal immigrants, ngeke uzongitshela ukuthi abekho abantu abakhulu abazama uyiphusha lento kuze ngenelele ne-Human Rights Commission yethu ingasibiza izosihlalisa phansi ithi ngicela sibone ukuthi singayilungisa kanjani lento ukuthi siphuthumise ukuthi abantu bokufika bahambe kunalokho bazositshela thina ukuthi bayasibopha. So ibona baziyo honestly ukuthi babenefitani ngoba uyazi ukuthi makukhulunywa ngabantu bokufika i-Human Rights Commission igxuma ihlale kade nje namanje ilwela ukuthi fanele badedele ukuthi bahlale kumabhilidi buthephu nje even if umthetho ungabavumeli babopha uhulumeni bade belwela ke manje futhi ama illegal minors bathi ama minors fanele angcwatshe ngesithunzi nange-dignity and you know ama illegal minors anabo abana choice balana ngenxa yezimo kanti thina sinazo yini izimo you know iyona into esibuzayo ukuthi thina sinazo yini izimo ukuthi i-Human Rights Commission ibone ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi highlight ama human rights abantu abenze ngisho ubugebengu because illegal mining is a crime. If you come into another country uzowenza lento abanye amazwe ayabulala kodwa thina kuthiwa human rights bangcwabeni nge-dignity bakhulumela ngisho idumbu ke zabo yabo. So nje kunzima kodwa ke sizobona ukuthi kuphela kanjani because we treat it's not a one-way street. It's a treaty that involves all other parties. Kade sibona manje iZimbabwe bopha ama South Africans. Khona ama South Africans to today aboshwele nje ukuthi awaphethe amaphepha. They're in a maximum security prison in Zimbabwe. Ngenxa yokuthi abanawo ama documents. Maximum security prison. Kuze kube manje uhulumeni wethu akazi uyobuza ukuthi labo bantu abakhishwe. Akazi uzobakhulumela i-Human Rights Commission nakanye. Kodwa izothi namhlanje thina fanele sibaphathe kahle abanye abantu bamanye ngoba sisayina ama treaty. What about the other countries and the way they treat us? If ungakazi travel of Africa, you will not understand what I'm saying. You know, you will not understand because uzobone ngazuthi lento esenzayo thina normal kanti it's not. Mawufika kubona emazweni abo baku treat to come right. Bafune bazobenze kube nzima ukuhlala ukuze wena wenza amaphutha azokwenza ukuthi ukhokhe more money yabo ukuze kuthiwa umthetho uphulile. So understand mina it can't be bayazibona ukuthi yini le abayitholayo from ukuba khona beyigebengu la. Into engakutshela yona nje ukuthi yabo njengamanje uhlangene abantu abazoprotect ama interest abo because if mina khona ngimazela okuthile naye uzongiba sikubonile lokho we've seen it kuma cases where umuntu supposed to just make a decision bahluleke ngisho ukwenza ama decision ngoba nakho bayazibona ukuthi babambele lo bhonga nangu so many times ubona iDA lokho itrainisho sizowenza ingakwenzi why kuyavela manje ukuthi iDA nayo inama building kade walokhuzi wa hijacker lapha ngeimali wantshontsha kuthiwa bathengiwe imali ezinkulu phekwa lokho same DA is importing abantu from Israel la eSouth Africa ingakho bele bafuna le department ya home affairs because babebazi ukuthi bafuna ukunika ama Israelites abo amaphepha ukuthi abe la eSouth Africa. So it's a system that is working for the favor of political parties. They don't care about some South Africans laba bantu. They don't care. Nalo is prioritizing idingo ze political party yakhe. Khohlwa ke abayithandi ke into enathi phathi bafuna ukulandela ama politicians nama organizations because nalo most of the time usuke salindele ukuthi naye kuzofika ithuba lakhe bese naye yangena bese naye akwazi ukuba sesikhundleni enze lokho. Very seldom or very few there are some political parties that I know that I can name futhi confidently because I've seen umsebenzi wabo ukuthi labantu they are for South African people. Abanye kodwa futhi majority of them they are not for South Africans and South Africans themselves ibona laba balokhu bebanika power because ibona baba empowerishayo. If South Africans decide today sebekhathele it'll be fireworks and it'll be over for everyone. Look ngizokubuza into simple ngobuza wena If you are a businessman, you've got mines all over Africa, you've got businesses all over Africa, would you stand confidently and say something ezokwazi ukuthi ibone labo bantu base-Africa ukuthi banezinto ey'wrong abazenzayo? Uzonakekela amabhizinisi akho over the interest of the people. That's all I'm going to say. I don't know, to be honest with you, because I don't want to preempt anything, but from what is being presented, Human Rights Commission firstly does not have an urgent reason ukuthi bangazama ukuthi bathi lento is an urgent application because it's been ongoing for so long. If the court rules and says that it's urgent, I don't know how they're going to stop abantu, because no man miss much and much, people are still going to go ahead and protect our resources. So either way, they lose. The way forward for March and March is to recruit more and more people. We call upon more South Africans to join and more patriots who would say to be part of the movement. Access to California and complain, guys, and look handy the way things are. Your phone is not enough. We need you guys on the ground. We need you here joining us. Kuma March. We need you to be visible, to be seen. Baba bo na bantu aba complain. Because maybe ngababo ni baza assume it's just people on social media baz kulmelai. So I call on all South Africans, please come forward and be the voice that we need ukuze sikwazi ukuthi uhulumeni wethu for a change ukwazi account to the people of South Africa.
Are we seeing march mhlambe ishintsha iba a political party?
No, definitely not. No. We're not a political party at all. We're a civil movement, and we are fighting for patriotic people to have a voice.
Siyabonga ukuthi sijasisa for your time.